create a secret list of homes. Now this is a big one for people. They say, if I could offer a secret list of unlisted properties in my area, man, I could have all the clients I want. Buyers, sellers, I could get absolutely anybody, and I'd have a flood of clients coming through. But where do I find those properties? We talked a little bit about working expires, working for sale by owners that are willing to pay you a commission. The IRS seizes properties every day. The U.S. Marshal Service seizes properties every day. If you go to homepath.com, there's a lot of properties that are already listed on there, but there's some that say coming soon. And those properties already have a lockbox on. You can show them right now, but they're not listed with an agent yet. That brings me to an important point for you to understand about a secret list of homes, and don't miss this. Have you ever seen a property that comes on the market in your area? It's on the market like 1 hour, and it has 9 offers. It's a bank-owned home. It has 9 offers in 1 hour. Have you ever seen that happen? Do you agree that they didn't have 9 showings in 1 hour? They looked at it weeks before. How are these realtors gaining access to unlisted bank-owned homes? So don't think that just because you don't know how to do it, that it can't be done. The agents that are closing deals in your area, that's what they're doing. If that home was on the market for 1 hour and had 9 offers, they had 50 showings before it hit the market at 9 a.m. on Tuesday. So I want you to start thinking about, it's very possible if you'll get yourself trained for you to massively transform your business. I want you to step back for a second and take an honest look at, where are you in your real estate business right now? How successful are you from a bankable dollars standpoint? As long as you've been licensed and all that you know, let me tell you, the one thing most agents are missing out on is marketing. I can knock it out of the park if you'll just get me up to the plate more often. How can you get me up to the plate more often? It's not about being a better real estate agent. It's about understanding marketing.
Hey, hopefully you enjoyed that video and it's been helpful for you. Do me a favor, subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can get information on more videos as they become available, and also check out the description below this video so you can see more links that'll be helpful for your business.